Hi guys, this is Shilpa Mittal. We are going to start our new exercise 1.4 for the 10th class students. The exercise 1.3 is omit exercise. So the first question of exercise 1.4 is, without actually performing the long division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So first of all, we have to understand that what is terminating and what is non-terminating. Terminating decimal expansion, that means in the division, if we got some limited numbers after decimal point, then this type of division is known as terminating. But if the numbers are repeated again and again, then this type of numbers, this type of decimal expansion is known as non-terminating. And the condition of question is that without actually performing the long division. So there is a condition to check the terminating or non-terminating decimal expansion, which is if the decimal expansion of denominator is in the form of 5 to the power m into 2 to the power n, then the rational number will be terminating. Means if the prime factorization of the denominator, prime factors of the denominator is in the form of 5 to the power m into 2 to the power n, or simply only 5 to the power m, or simply only 2 to the power n, then these type of prime factorization, this type of representation of denominator in the prime factors, then we can say that that type of rational number is terminating rational number. First question is 13 upon 3125. So by prime factorization of denominator, we have denominator as 3125. It divides by 5. 5 divides 3125 by 625 times. This number is also divides by 5 by 125 times. 125 again divides by 5. 25 times. 25 again divides by 5 times, and 5 divides 5 1 times. So this is the prime factorization of denominator 3125, and we got the decimal expansion is 13 upon 3125 is equals to 13 upon 5 to the power 5. In the prime factorization, we have 5 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write this type of representation in the 5 is to 5 to the power 5 is to 5 form. So this type of representation satisfy the above condition, that the denominator must be in the form of 5 to the power m form, or 2 to the power n form, or 5 to the power m multiplied by 2 to the power n form. So this type of representation satisfy the above condition. That means 13 upon 3125 is terminating decimal expansion.